My kitchen farm. Today we are giving this chicken a good scrub down. We are washing it with salt so it's clean, fresh and ready to go. If you are new here, welcome to the spot where we keep it simple, easy and delicious. Don't forget to hit like, share with your foodie friends and subscribe so that you don't miss the fun. So I went to the store, picked out my chicken, took my time because not every chicken is tricky in these days. Got the right one and headed home, ready to work. Now, don't go dumping half of the salt back, okay? You need just enough, not too much, not too little. Sprinkle it all over like you are seasoning with love. Then scrubbing. Give that chicken a rub down like you are trying to exfoliate its skin off. Scrub like you mean it. Let it chill with the salt for a few seconds. Let the salt do its magic, then rinse it off. By the way, why the salt? Salt helps to remove slimeness, odors, or any hidden gunk on the skin. It is a natural cleanser and it leaves the chicken nice and fresh. No funny smells when you cook, just pure goodness. Now, time to cut. First, extra skin. Second, the buttocks goes off. Why? Because extra skin holds extra parts and can make your dish greasy. We want clean, neat pieces that cook evenly and taste better. And for the buttocks, we are here for the good stuff. Now chop it into the pieces you want so you can use them later for your next delicious creation. And that's it. Simple, no stress, no extra wahala. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check my next video where we keep things tasty and easy. See you next time.